Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We have arrived at our villa here in Spain, basically near a town called Izanjar, but also in the middle of nowhere. And we've got a big villa finca to ourselves. It's a big family holiday. Let me just show you around. It looks amazing so far.
A hot new bombshell enters the villa.
16 new bombshells enter the villa.
I'd fit in there. Oh my god, it's so cute.
So this is the villa. We can go in through this way. Let's have a little look. Little outdoor kitchen area with a grill. I think there's a bar there. What's through here? Looks like this used to be horses or something. There's this lovely courtyard area outside. We've just got all our bags here right now. This is the front door. Come into the kitchen where we've just emptied all of our shopping and everything. Through here is one bedroom. Looks lovely. We haven't assigned bedrooms or anything yet. The adults are still working that out. This is the bathroom in here. Lovely. Lovely dining area, bit of a coffee maker, toaster. And then we will come through this little corridor here. Here's another bedroom. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Little ensuite as well. Lovely view to the outside there. I love the aesthetics of these rooms. If it sounds like I'm out of breath, it's because I am. And then there is another room through here. I like that the bed is so low down in this one. And then another ensuite through here. Quite a big bathroom. And then we come outside and then back in through here. What a surprise! Another bedroom, cute little chair there. And then another bathroom, big seating area. Lovely big bathroom. And then come outside again. This little door around here is like the laundry room. We've got a washing machine and everything in here, which is handy. Lovely area outside to eat as well. And then we'll go back inside the main area up these stairs, which are a little precarious. But then we've got the choice of going this way or this way. We'll go this way first. So there is this little nice room here. What is through this door? Oh, another bedroom. That's lovely. Then back through this bedroom. These adjoining ones are really good for the people that are coming with children. And then through here, another bathroom it looks like. And a little single bedroom, which is actually really cute. And then we come back on these precarious stairs, but choose to go this way this time. It's a little corner with board games and everything, which is lovely. What is through this little door? Oh, lovely little balcony patio. Hello! And then this way is like the communal sitting area. I love the beanbags. We'll explore over there in a second because there is also a bedroom through here. I think this place has 10 bedrooms, someone said. I love the roof. And then obviously through there is another bedroom which we'll go and visit. Love the fireplace as well. That's gorgeous. Actually, I think there's not another bedroom through here. I think there is a pool table. However, Trevor has told me that apparently it's unplayable. There's like holes and stuff on the board, which isn't great. It'd be fun if that was playable. We've got a TV, another little sitting, chilling out area, living room space here. I love this little couch so much. It's amazing. Some little poofs. And then, oh my god, I need to prepare you for this. Look at this view out here. This is incredible. I actually feel like I'm in the Love Island villa. Let's go out. There's two little doors out there way across the living room. And I haven't even told you guys yet, but that is a pool over there. Stunning. So, nice little chill out area here. And I don't know if you can see there's a wind farm over there. This view is just stunning. I'll shut up and let you take it in. Absolutely beautiful. I can't believe we get to stay here for a week. We are here for 7 days, I think, and then heading back to Malaga for another 2 days before we obviously take our flight to fly back to Glasgow, unfortunately. But oh my god, this is amazing. Absolutely stunning. I think I'm going to go and find out which bedroom is mine because the assigning is taking place right now and I was trying to film before I went into their bedrooms. Sorry if that was a bit rushed. But yeah, so I'm going to try find my bedroom, unpack all my stuff, get a little bit relaxed, and then I will show you the outside bit with the pool and everything. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm in my bedroom now and me and Eva are sharing a bedroom, and it has been brought to my attention that there is a whole other section of the house that I didn't know about, and my bedroom is in that other section. So I'm going to add on a quick section to the tour of the villa. Found an absolute death trap that is these stairs. Love them. Can't wait to come up and down here every time I go to my room. So we are just further along the bottom of the courtyard, and then we come in and there is another like sitting communal area, it seems. Oh, another kitchen. I haven't seen this yet. I don't think we'll really be using this kitchen because it's just going to be me, Eva and my auntie in this area. Sitting dining bit, some books, lovely little living room chill out space. And then as you saw, we are up these stairs, so time to go back up them. What fun. We come up to the top of these stairs. This is what the landing looks like. There's me. There's an extra fan there, which my aunt might take. And then we've got the bathroom in here. This is me and Eva's room. And then we come along and Jilly's bedroom is on the bottom there.
Good morning everybody, it is the next day, our first full day in the finca. I feel like I'm going to lose track of the days. Today it is Sunday and I'm just sat here on the outside bit having some breakfast. I had an Actimel and a Magdalene thing, and now I'm having a couple of slices of tortilla, which I don't even really like back at home, but when it's in Spain it's just so good. And I promised I would show you the pool bit, which I will in a second, but I just need to show you the view of what I'm looking at right now. This is the little seating area, and then this is the stunning view. We sort of watched a little bit of sunset over there last night and the mountains kind of turned a little bit pink. It almost looked like a sort of American desert scene. It was quite cool. But yeah, no plans today. I started One of Us is Lying on the plane journey here, so I'm quite excited to read some more of that today because I got 60 pages in, which is quite a lot for me in like the first sitting of a book. It normally takes me a couple of tries to actually get into a book, and then maybe I'll go back inside once it gets quite hot, watch some YouTube. I don't want to be out in the sun all day. Of course I'm sun creamed up. I just think that too much sun is not great for me even anyway, with like my eyes and my head and everything. I'm missing Love Island for 12 days, so gotta catch up or just jump back in when I get home. There's quite a lot of us here now. Unfortunately, one of my uncle's flight has been cancelled because of all the cancellations at the minute, so I don't think he's gonna make it out here, which is quite sad, but the rest of us have thank God made it. We were all really worried about all the other flights as well. My other uncle, actually, he was flying from Italy. He actually bought 2 sets of flights to get here in case one got cancelled and they could hop on the other one, so they're trying to get a refund for the other one. But yeah, that's how much we wanted this holiday. I don't know if I said this was a rescheduled 2020 holiday, or like my mum and my stepdad turning 50, me graduating university, Eva graduating high school, and now Eva's nearly finished university, so there is quite a lot of us here. I'm not even sure the exact numbers. There's obviously me, my mum, my stepdad, my brother, my auntie, and my cousin Eva, my cousin Charlie, one of my mum's friends, her husband, and then my Italian uncle, his wife, and their 3 children. Can't get over this view. It's absolutely gorgeous. It just goes on for so far. So you walk out of the kitchen into this area and there's a lovely little dining up there with some stairs up there and lots of grass, apparently a good tree for climbing. Another little seating area here, and then we can walk down this path, and then to the left is where I was sat for breakfast this morning, just in there. And then, like I said, this amazing view. So actually I have just switched bedrooms because, like I said, the uncle and aunt that can't make it anymore, they were going to have obviously like a nice bedroom with an ensuite and everything. So my mum asked me if I wanted to take that room, so I said yes please, which is sad. Me and Eva aren't sharing anymore, but I'm like annexed next to her, so there's a door connecting our areas, so I said she can come over whenever she likes. So I'll give you a little room tour when I head back to the room. Got a glass of iced tea. I'm just going to head up towards the pool now. I'm just going to read my book until it probably gets too hot. I haven't actually been in the pool yet. I think everyone else has been in the pool except me. Oh my god, everyone's at the pool! And this is my favourite place to relax. This is lovely. I might get a picture of those flowers later. And then this is the pool. Very lovely. And then, like I said, the house is just down there. And these are the views. It's now dinner time, so I'm going to do a quick room tour before I head out. I'm just in my comfies again. This is the room that I've moved into. Just got a whole, I mean basically double bed to myself, but it's 2 singles pushed up together. Got my pile of dirty clothes in the laundry. I put some stuff up there, and I've got a much bigger bathroom this time. I also got an ensuite, which I didn't have before. A lovely big mirror here. Why am I out of breath? Always out of breath, so unfit. And also a really big shower, although I did see a spider in here earlier, so that's fun. But tonight's dinner is looking a little bit fancier, so I thought I would grab the camera and film it because I've not really filmed much today. I've just been reading my book out by the pool or coming back to the room to sit and watch YouTube for a while out the sun. Let's go and see what there is for dinner. I love the blue door. It's like Mamma Mia vibes. It's so nice. Am I sitting here?
Yes, sit beside your
Okay.
cousin.
Wow, this looks gorgeous. What a lovely
So this is
location.
like in Philadelphia, and then like with a kind of pickled pepper. That is like tapenade, which is olive, lettuce, and cucumber. Tomato, cheese straws. I think that's almonds. Egg and mayonnaise. Cheese. That's like a little thick chutney. Tortilla. Pizza's on its way.
I think that I have forgotten to split these vlogs up, so I'm going to end today's vlog here. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe, as I'll be back next time with the next Spain vlog, and I'll see you guys then. Bye guys!